Good morning, Ross Middle School.
Because we have had so many 4-day weeks, we haven't been able to bring you a regular show.
And although this week is still a 4-day week, we wanted to give you something special.
So enjoy our special edition with riddles.
Let's go right into the show.
The first riddle of today is, what starts with P, ends with E, and has thousands of letters in it? Did you guess post office? Well, if you did, you are correct. The U.S. Post Office mails 187.8 million pieces of first-class mail a year.
Are you ready for our next riddle? Why did the little boy bury his flashlight? Because its batteries died. Did you know that the first flashlight was invented in 1899?
Here's your next riddle. Mary has 3 children. There's June and July. What is the third child's name? Did you guess August? If so, you're wrong. Let me ask the question again. What is the third child's name? Did you guess what? If so, you're correct. Did you know that there are 24,663 people each year born with the name August?
Here's our next riddle. What travels all around the world but stays in one place? Did you get the stamp? If so, you are correct. In 2018, 16.5 billion stamps were printed out.
The next riddle is, what has to be broken to use? The answer is an egg. On average, people eat about 250 eggs each year. That is a lot of eggs. It takes a lot of hens to produce all those eggs. We typically have over 300 million hens spread across the United States.
There are 26 sheep. One died. How many do you have left? Did you guess 19? Listen closely. There are 26 sheep. If one died, you'd have 19. Did you know that sheep can see behind them without even turning their head? That's because they have a 300-degree field vision.
There are 3 men on a boat. The boat capsizes. Only 2 of them get their hair wet. Why? Because the third person is bald. Did you know that 40% of males are expected to be bald by the age of 40?
What is so fragile that saying its name breaks it? Did you guess silence? If so, you are correct. Did you know that spending more time in silence can result in less tension, better brain activity, and brain cell regeneration?
Here's another riddle. What's always in front of you but you can't see it? The answer is the future. Did you know that by 2050, Toyota and other big car brands are planning to stop selling gasoline vehicles, and that by 2050, more than 26 million electric vehicles will be sold?
When is the one time Friday comes before Thursday? When it's in a dictionary. Did you know that there are 171,476 words in a dictionary? Now it's time for the Motto Lotto. I'm Amber Rook.
And I'm Lainey Johnson.
And they will be doing this week's Motto Lotto. Good luck. Our first $10 winner is Mallory McFarland.
And our second $10 winner is Alex Cravey.
Go to the office to get your reward. How do Good Morning Ross Middle School anchors say goodbye?
Have a
Good weekend, RMS!